Guys, you are welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make this circular hijab. If you are here for the first time, you are welcome, and to my subscribers, thank you so much for the support. This is a lycra fabric and I've already folded it into two. I have the fabric on fold 16 by 19 inches. The front length of the hijab is 16 inches while the back length is 19 inches. I will mark 16 inches as the front part and 19 inches at the back part of the hijab, then connect it together. The next thing is to connect the circle and cut out the hijab. I would also notch the center of the hijab. For the cap, I'm going to measure a fabric on fold 9 inches by 3.5 inches. That is, the 9 inches will be for the length and the 3.5 inches will be for the height of the hijab cap. If you are still here with me up to this stage, thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you for supporting this channel as you do so. Remember that the cap is already folded into two. I will now fold it into 4. I would measure 4.5 inches for the length of the cap and measure 3 inches out of the 3.5 for the height of the cap. If it is an adult, you can use 3.5 inches by 5 inches. That is, the length will be 5 inches and the height will be 3.5 inches. I will now connect the two points together and cut out the cap. Make sure you notch the cap after cutting. Notch the center of the cap and secure it with loose stitches. Secure the cap with loose stitches or you pin it down. If you are a beginner, it's preferable to secure it with loose stitches. The next step is to attach the notch part of the cap to the notch part of the hijab and pin it down, just the way I'm doing in the video. The next step is to take the hijab to the machine after pinning the cap down to it and stitch it down. Stitch the cap down on the hijab. This is the result after stitching down the cap to the hijab. The next step is to measure the round edge circumference divided by 2. For this hijab, it is 20. The round edge circumference is 20. Divided by 2 is 10. I'm going to use exactly 10 because it's a stretchy fabric. It is a lycra fabric, so I'm not going to put an extra there. So I'll use exactly 10. From that measurement of 10, I'm going to stitch it to the down part of the hijab, and the last thing will be to hem the down part of the hijab. So this is the result after stitching it down and after hemming the down part of the hijab. This is the result. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.